is hooked up to the tank right now. This is the only valve that's hooked up. Whether it's, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't take this hose off there. Freon's just going to pour right out of it's pouring right out of the compressor. Now the compressor's laboring, it's starting to labor. Alright. Sight glass is changing color. And I start to see bubbles. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. My guess is an air in the system. It's a guess. From the very beginning, when I took the cap off of there, I could see that it had been leaking. There was oil on it, and when you put your finger over it, there was a little bit. So now you can hear the compressor is not laboring, and it appears as though that's full. But again, bubbles appear, bubbles go away, and it's going to start to labor again, and that's what's happening. The compressor itself is not physically hot, so I don't know what to think. I can't disconnect these gauges. There's no way to keep Freon in the system if I do. I don't know what to do. Bye.